You're in the back seat of a moving car. No seatbelt, no control. The air thick with fuel and something chemical as the dealer beside you scrolls through your phone for the third time, saying nothing, while the driver keeps his eyes forward and the city slides past in broken light. This isn't the beginning, but it feels like one, because everything before this moment has been reduced to training, to 143 days in cold rooms set at 19 degrees, to metal tables, controlled voices, memorized slang, and the slow removal of your original self, piece by piece, until your real name becomes something you have to recall instead of something you are. You entered at the bottom, nameless, procedural, just another candidate processed through a system that doesn't reward identity, only compliance. And over time, you learned the mechanics: how to speak less than you know, how to watch without reacting, how to carry 2.3 kilograms across 11 kilometers in under half an hour without asking questions, how to adjust your tone, your posture, your eye contact, until even you couldn't tell where performance ended and instinct began. Promotions came quietly, without praise, measured in increased risk rather than recognition, and by year 3, the system required more than observation. It required proof, something irreversible, delivered in silence inside a moving vehicle where hesitation would expose you and action would redefine you. And you chose to act because the structure allowed no third option, because backup was 14 minutes away and suspicion operates faster than rescue. After that, the system accepted you more fully, not as an outsider, but as a functioning part, feeding you larger roles, longer routes, more complex operations, while your reports grew from fragments to pages of precise detail, times, weights, distances, pauses between